The President, Uganda Muslim Lawyers Association, Ali Kankaka, says there is need to critically evaluate the court orders and the valuations presented.
And this thing of playing with old Kampala, trying to sell, Muslims are emotional about their faith. They can choose to take their things in their hands. And when they do, it is a terrible development for us all.
Meeting with Muslim lawyers in Kampala, Ali Kankaka said there is a concern that some may be trying to manipulate the situation to suggest selling properties instead of seeking alternatives.
It is also a possibility that create the animosity around the taking of old Kampala headquarters and all that, so that then government can easily say, pay that money and use part of it to compensate these people, to create that. So as Muslim lawyers, when you are looking at these things, we must go beyond the letter of these court orders. And we ask ourselves, what is the rationale of these people?
He speculated about government involvement in the situation, such as acquiring properties in exchange for compensation from other Muslim properties.
People are planning to sell these properties, but they are trying to play some of us into conceding that since there is a threat to the headquarters, maybe we agree some other properties should go instead of our headquarters. That those who entered into this transaction knew very well that we will be where we are, and therefore create the animosity amongst the Muslim community, create the tension, and then be able to agree to a trade-off. That maybe instead of taking this property, and this property, let's agree, say, Mijera to go.
He called upon Muslim lawyers to focus on the facts and legal aspects rather than emotional reactions.
Individuals, again in the management of our Muslim affairs, may be actually dealing with other Muslim interests. Many of you have heard disappointment from government of our lost properties in Korolo and Chitante, which is due. And some people are saying that is what they are targeting. It is also a possibility that create the animosity around the taking of old Kampala headquarters and all that, so that then government can easily say, pay that money and use part of it to compensate these people.
Kankaka acknowledged leadership challenges and called on leaders to address the problem rather than increasing tensions.
So all of us belong to different groups, but we must know that our umbrella organization is Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. None of those individuals who are in charge have a superior claim.
He raised concerns about the potential impact on Islamic practices and the historical scars from the past disagreements within the Muslim community. Kankaka requested the political class and the judiciary to be cautious and avoid actions that could worsen the current situation. Sudat Kaye, UBC News.